So in this video we will go to discuss about the else if ladder statement. An else if ladder is a special case of nested if statement where nesting takes place only in the else part. So that means if you are considering when an action has to be selected based on the range of values, then this statement is used. The orderly nested or if else statement only in the else part is called else if ladder. So the syntax is we are having the statement from B1 to Bn. Then if condition 1 is satisfied, then it's true, then statement 1 is executed. Else if it is not satisfied, then it goes to the else if condition 2. If that condition is true, statement 2. Else if it is false, then if go to the condition 3, then statement 3 is executed and so on. Then else if condition n minus 1, so statement is n minus 1. Else you go to statement m. So then you have the continuous of statement a1 to an. So this is how normally it takes place. Suppose we are going to take up one particular example, then only we will be able to understand how the else if ladder statement works. So write a program to display the grade obtained by a student based on the marks. The relation between the grades and marks is shown below. So if the student has scored secured between 0 to 39, then he is fail. If it is 40 to 49, then it becomes E. Then 50 to 59, it is D grade. 60 to 69 is grade C. 70 to 79, which is grade B. 80 to 89, which is grade A. And 90 to 100 is outstanding. So this is the pattern in which you need to do it. So we are going to write a code for this. So first we are going to include all the header files. Then void main. So we have the clear screen. So we will going to int marks. So print f enter the marks. So suppose if I enter the marks as 55. So read that particular marks. So if marks is less than or equal to 39. So that means is 55 is less than 39 or equal to 39. No. So then else if. So it is not, it is false. So and it goes to the next one. So else if is marks is less than or equal to 49. So there also it is false. But if it is less than or equal to 49, then grade F, print of grade E. Then we have, of course, he has been taking both together, which we have been explaining here. So if marks is less than or equal to 59, so here what happens is 55 is less than or equal to 59. Is 55 is less than or equal to 59? Yes. So grade D. So printf, the grade D will go to come. So then he has explained, then in the other form he has given 95 is less than or equal to 59. So it is false. Then else if maximum is less than or equal to 69. So grade C. So again that is also it's not satisfying because 95 is less than or equal to 69. Then else if marks is less than or equal to 79, then printf grade B. Then 95 is less than or equal to 79, again it is not there. Else if marks is less than or equal to 89, grade A. So there also 95 is less than or equal to 89, no. So else if grade O, which is the outstanding. So else grade O, it is the outstanding. So it is here is 95 is less than or equal to 89. So none of these statements is executing, and none of these statements are false. So therefore obviously it should be outstanding. So the output is grade O, which is the outstanding. So this is how you will be able to execute. Now we will going to consider the same thing by writing a simple program. So to do that, first we will enter into this block. Now we are going to try to write the code for this particular expression. So to do that, so we will try to take one or two outputs so that we will be able to see how exactly the else if ladder statement works. So here when we are considering, so include stdio.h, then include conio.h, then main, then I will enter into this marks So we take int marks. So first I will going to take the declare the marks as an integer value. So we will going to take printf, enter the marks. So once you enter the marks, then I should read that. So I will go for scanf. Since it is a integer, so percentage %d and marks. So what is the first consideration? If marks is less than or equal to 39, then what is the condition? The condition is printf, it is grade f, because he is field actually, grade f slash n. Then else if marks is less than or equal to 49, then printf grade e slash n. Then else if marks is less than or equal to 59, then printf grade d slash n. Then else if marks less than or equal to 69, then printf grade c slash n. Then else if marks less than or equal to 79, then printf grade b backslash n. Then else if marks is less than or equal to 89, then printf grade a less than n. So grade A is less than or equal to n. Then once you do that, so here the last consideration else. So if none of these conditions are satisfying, then what is this? Printf grade O, which is outstanding. So this is how you will be able to get the marks. So once you do that, so we want to have the getch function, getch the marks here. So now I will go to file, I will going to save this, save file as, I will take some the number, I will save this. So now we will try to execute. Once you try to execute, we will going to get the build. So enter the marks. Suppose if I say 55, so we should get the value of 55 as grade D. Then once you have this, we want to have for the more value. If I consider the marks, I will say the marks is 99. So it should be grade is O, outstanding. Similarly, if I say the marks is 30, then it should be grade F, that means he is going to fail. So similarly, for each one we can do it, we take for 50, so it should be grade D. Then we have E, if you want it for E, I will say 45, the grade should be E. Similarly, if you want to have 85, it should be grade A, and then if it is 75, then it should be grade B. So like this we will be able to execute. So once I enter the marks, and according to the classifications of the grade, the student should be able to award that particular grade which is required. This is how the program will going to work on else if ladder statements. That means only the if statement is applied only to the else, not for the if. So that is the reason why he is telling that it is the else if ladder. So ladder means it is climbing. So that is the reason why. So we have all the if statements only for the else. So this is how the program is executed. Thank you.